chicken nuggets. Let's dig in.
Wow, good.
Tastes very good. Chicken nuggets. Well, they're not actually chicken nuggets. They are Kirkland lightly breaded chicken breast chunks. All right, so let's see. Preheat oven, 400. Oh, fuck. No. Why is this happening to me? If anybody has a genius trick for how to do this more intelligently, please share with me. Okay, there we go. I might be disabled at this. 280 calories, 32 grams of protein. Not bad, right? Don't do what I was about to do and rip open the top, because then you can't reseal. Use this little hidden open here. And so one serving is 84 grams or 3 ounces, so. Here we go.
This is per person?
No, that's for both of us.
Oh my God.
Is that too light?
That, I don't know. That feels light.
Okay, well, we can do more. I think, so well, here's the thing, right? That was 280. So, I mean, think about it. We're used to eating like 600 calories plus per person, right? Mm-hmm. So I was just being super slim on myself. 420 calories plus another, let's say, 200 plus calories for our veggies.
Oh, we're eating this with the stir fry.
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta have veggies, right?
Okay.
We gotta have veggies. Oh no, you thought we were just eating chicken nuggets and we're done?
Yeah,
That would be very, very sad. That would be terrifyingly. How about this? We'll do 2.5 servings. That seems to make pretty good sense, right? All right, so this is a very easy stir fry, Kirkland stir fry vegetable blend, and this Japanese barbecue sauce. It's called bachan's. Yeah, a little bit of oil, a little bit of veggies, a little bit of sauce, and you're done. So let's fire it up. All right, so the chicken goes in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So if we're being super methodical, I recommend that everybody, at least once in their life, measure out what a tablespoon of oil looks like before they pour it in the pan. I think most of us have a tendency to overdo it on the oil if we've never measured it before, including myself. And that's an easy way to get like way too many extra calories. I don't have measuring spoons with me, so I would just do it by weight. It's about 14, 15 grams around there. Oh, genius didn't fucking open this stuff. All right, there we go. So I overdid it just like that, you know? I mean, that's a pretty solid amount, right? Would you say? So the key is like, see what it looks like when you after pouring into a pan, right? All right, let's turn the heat down a bit. This is one of those things where if I'm doing it at home, I just grab as much as I can in like 2 handfuls for me and 2 handfuls for my wife. That's usually a pretty sufficient amount of veggies. Just for illustration's sake, measure out how much that looks like. 1. Oops. Wash it off a little bit. All right, what do you think? How much do you think, how do you feel about that portion?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good? Oven's ready, preheated. Let's pop these babies in. All right. And that's pretty much all it takes. Let's go.
You gonna set a timer?
Yes. We should do that. Cook time. All right, let's continue on these veggies. I think when we started, you hadn't really used frozen vegetables much, had you?
I didn't believe in them.
Well, no, I mean, I didn't believe in them before I first started using them, right?
This frozen veggies reminded me of microwave dinners. And to me, microwave dinners were very unhealthy. But, I mean, I soon learned that, like, it's actually great because they get frozen at prime state of their...
Yeah, well, it's not just that. So what they do with frozen veggies is they use it's called blanching. And actually, like, restaurants who use fresh veggies do that as well. They'll rapid boil large portions of veggies and then quickly pull them out before they're fully done, and then quickly cool them. And then they'll store them. It lasts longer in your fridge that way. When it's time to cook, they really only have to add heat, and then it's done. So that's the same with frozen veggies. The reason we think they taste gross is because we used to like cook them into mush, right? If you buy today's frozen veggies and you cook them into mush, it's your fault. It's not because of the frozen veggies. You just have to add a little bit of heat and it's pretty much done. Okay, nowadays I'll just squirt it, but I think it'll be a good idea to measure out really quickly. Do like 2 tablespoons. Okay. A little bit extra, won't die. It's already done. Like, you can eat it as is right now. If you reduce it, you get a little bit thicker sauce and a little bit more flavor. Would Hannah eat this? Well, let's taste it first and see.
The concept of it surely.
Like, honestly, I feel like we could even eat more veggies than that, right? And probably more than most people are eating on a daily basis, right?
Never have too many veggies.
Just split them up. We should make more, you know? I feel like that should be the portion for one person.
How long did this take, say?
7 minutes at most, right? Probably closer to 5, but looking what we started the timer for the chicken, it's been 7 minutes since putting this in. So if you can't spend 5 minutes to do that, then I don't know what to say.
Now, could you have used butter instead of olive oil?
I really strongly recommend plant oil. My preference is avocado or extra virgin olive because there's a lot of evidence that replacing the saturated fat from butter or animal fat with mono unsaturated fats has better health outcomes. Really specifically dealing with cardiovascular events, heart disease, really. So I personally would not use butter because there's so many other places to get saturated fat and dairy. Like, I love cheese, so I feel like the elevation of butter in this is not significant enough to put that much saturated fat in there. Just for me, it doesn't make sense, you know? Oops. I am the messiest cook, by the way. Ooh. Let's get our chicken. I'm realizing they might not have the gloves. Just towel, I guess. I'll go grab something. I would say these nuggets are not what I would call spectacular, but sometimes life gets crazy and you're in a pinch, so that's what you do. I mean, you ain't really expecting Michelin out of frozen food, right? I look about half. Yeah. Let's dig in. This is like right in the middle, right? Between crunchy and soft. I tend to like I like my veggies a little bit softer personally, but if you wanted it crunchier, just take it out of the pan earlier, and you'll be good to go.
This sauce is like what you have in the restaurant.
It's a good sauce. It's light. It's not overly sweet.
Wow, it's good.
Not bad, right? Surprising.
This was some hot sauce?
Oh yeah, dude. Hot sauce, sriracha. Even you could like even if you just used a little bit of any sauce you like, really doable. This like as a meal, not hating it.
In a time crunch, this is pretty good.
What's the calories on this?
Always remember to put in the oil because that's a huge source of calories. A lot of people forget to do that.
I feel like
Surprisingly, the veggies are like the star here.
Yeah. All right, so that whole meal is like 684 calories. It's still quite light, right? For on the low end, I feel like, you know.
Yeah.
Another thing I like to do, if you air fry these and we get a little bit more crispy, Korean spicy marinades, like
Yeah.
do like a sort of Korean style fried chicken-ish. Tastes very good.
I'm genuinely surprised how good this is. All right. Quick 15-minute lunch.